In this video, I want to show you how to insert table in Microsoft Word documents. If you have your document like this and you want to insert table, how do you do that? It's quite simple. Let me show you two methods. Number one, come to insert. Then you will see table here. Click on it and it will bring the table here. Then from here, you can just throw your cursor around it. So here you have by default 10 columns by 8 rows here. So if you place your cursor on it, it will be selected. And if you just click, it will be inserted in your Word document just like this. So you can see. However, we have only 10 columns by 8 rows here by default. So what if you want to insert more than this? You want to customize the table. So to do that, let me undo. Come back to insert again and come to table. This time around, come here and click on insert table. Here, you can decide the number of columns and rows. For instance, let's say I want, 7 columns. I'll put 7 here. Then here, the number of rows. Let's say I want 20. So I will enter 20. Then here also, you can adjust the width. Then after you have selected the number of columns and number of rows you want, click on OK. So you can see it has inserted 7 columns and 20 rows for me. So this is how to insert table in Microsoft Word document. Thank you for watching.